This one's a little bit long potentially.
Yep, went a little long on that.
Second shot here on the first. Ooh, you could have used that. And here we go. Par putt coming up. Looking good. Good job in there with a par. And we're keeping it even here. Even par after the first hole. Good to see. Yeah, drive's looking decent here. Oops, that's on me. Thought it was going to be fairway bound. I'll take that. Here we go. This drops and you get a bird. It could be a good one. Ugh. Setting up here with a 4-foot putt. Good job. And that hole will keep you at even par. And teeing her up here on the third. Well done. Okay, about 235 yards left to go. Ooh, you might not like where this one's going. This one's your third. Okay, we're leaving that sand behind us in a distant past. Let's grab the putter. This one's on a good line. And that was a nice little birdie. And let's see how things go here on the fourth. Well, we're green bound here. Decent approach there. Okay, 2 under. If you can sink this, you might be on your way to quite a little streak here. 2 birdies in a row. And this one's clocking in at a par 4. And that was a tee shot. And setting up about 105 yards to the pin. I'm okay with that. And this one's for bird. Going towards that hole. Great job in there for birdie. 6th hole coming up. Great swing. This is setting up to be around 150 yards to the pin. Approach shot worked out just fine. Sinking this will take you to 4 under. Ooh, never like leaving those short. This putt's about 4 feet. Okay, good stuff. And now we're teeing her up on the 7th hole. Not sure where this one's going to end up. Okay, we are in the deep stuff currently. And we're back in the fairway. Setting up here now for our third shot. Okay, here's a 5-footer. Boom, and that's your fourth birdie of the day. And after that, you're bringing things down to 4 under par. And here we go. Let's see what happens here on the 8th. Well, this drive's looking okay. Okay, this is about 125 yards away. Come on, get right. Well, that'll do for now. And this one is from 23 feet. Looking really good. And you've got this left for par on this one. Okay, well played.
And that'll keep you at 4 under for the round.
This one's a par 4 hole. Looking good off the tee. Here's our second shot on the 9th. This is looking promising. Oh, yeah, that's going to do just fine. Great work. Well, it's heading towards the hole.
All right, nice little 2-foot putt.
Okay, let's see what we can do on the next hole. Here comes the 10th hole. This one looks like it'll play. If we can get a kick left, it'd be nice. That's going to miss the green. Unfortunate. Okay, here's our third shot. Nice chip. Fantastic. And the putt drops, and we're moving on. And after that one, 4 under par. Stepping onto a par 4 hole on this one. Oh, effortlessly done. Nice swing. Okay, second shot on the 11th. This one for the birdie. Looking pretty good. Good work. 5th birdie today. Let's have another one. All right, and after that, you've brought your score down to 5 under par. Shot's looking good. Good work there. Great shot on the approach. This putt's good so far. Nice putt. I like the way this is shaping up. That's your second in a row of birdies. Here's a par 5. Let's see what you can do with it. That's not going to work, is it? And here's our second shot on the 13th.
Back on the fairway now. Good stuff.
This is what our third shot's looking like. Good job. We're on the green. Here's a putt to go to 7 under. Well, the putt appears to be online. Great work out there. Great work. Birdie number 7 in the hole. And here comes hole number 14 at us. Well, that tee shot looks like it'll do. And this one's about 130 yards away. Nicely done. Sink this and you'll pull down a birdie. Oh man. 3 feet to go. And that putt safely in its home. Okay, that's 7 under par for the moment. Teeing it up now on a par 4. Looks like this one's in the fairway. We've got about 115 yards to the pin. Heading for the green. Well done. That's another green in regulation under your belt. Hole's about 10 feet out. Just killing it out there. That's your 8th birdie of the day. Well done. And you're 8 under par currently. Okay, I have a good tee shot here now on the 16th. Ooh, maybe we can get a kick left here. Okay, we're on the green. This could be a birdie on the scorecard. Nicely done. That was a long bomb. Teeing up now on number 17. Looks like this one will be safe in the fairway. You must be feeling lucky. Taking driver off the turf. Setting up for our 3rd shot. Way to strike that ball out of that sand trap. Not much left to do here. Okay, well putt. Now let's move on. All right, hole number 18, ready to go. This one's fairway bound. And this one's about 120 yards to the pin. Yep, that's going to do just nicely. 11 under for the round if you can sink this putt. Right by the hole. And just drop this on in and you'll get a par. And with that putt, the round is over.